Hi friends, welcome to Nasyas Wonders. Dear subscribers and viewers, please like and share my videos. New viewers, please subscribe my channel. In my toy kitchen, today I am going to cook delicious Punjabi Samosa in play-doh. Let's start. For samosa, let's take white play-doh, orange for carrot, green for peas and yellow for mashed potato. First, take white play-doh. With a rolling pin, make circular shape and cut it into 2 pieces. Samosa sheets are ready. Now, let's cook samosa fillings. In a saucepan, heat some oil and add carrot and green peas. Once they are cooked, add the mashed potatoes. The filling is ready. Now, let's shape samosa and fill the vegetables. It's time to deep fry the samosa. Fry until it turns to golden brown. Wow! The samosa is ready now. Mint chutney, tomato sauce and green chilli are perfect side dish for samosa. They are also play-doh. Now it's time to taste the samosas with chutney. Wow! Crispy and delicious. Friends, you also try this recipe in your toy kitchen. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and share. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now.